Good evening once again, everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 6-4 3-box break site doing our Thursday night auction. This time around we had Crown. So we'll run through the teams, we'll give our 5+ teams their bonus, and we'll choose our VIP team of the break. Once again, just a reminder, bonus box break 18 is posted. Make sure to vote on what box you want. I'll be deciding in the next day or two based on what you guys vote on. So here we go. So it's May 16th. We're at 10:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we've got New Jersey Devilsmen with the Ducks. DJ Nell's mom with the Bruins. Felix Victoria, Buffalo. CM Punk, Calgary. Alwyn has Carolina. Bummer Boy, Chicago. Tom with the Blue Jackets. Bummer Boy chasing another Landeskog silhouette. New Jersey Devilsmen, Dallas. CM Punk, Detroit. Bummer Boy with the Oilers. New Jersey Devilsmen, Florida. Bummer Boy, LA. CM Punk, Montreal. Alwyn 700 with the Minnesota Wild. Felix Victoria, Nashville. DJ Nell's mom, New Jersey. New Jersey Devilsmen with the Islanders. Aaron has the Rangers. Bummer Boy, Ottawa. CM Punk, Phoenix. Felix Victoria, Philly. DJ Nell's mom, Pittsburgh. CM Punk, St. Louis. Joe's World 79, welcome to the breaks. Got the Sharks. New Jersey Devilsmen, Tampa. CM Punk, Toronto. Alwyn with Vancouver. New Jersey Devilsmen with Washington, and Alwyn gets the Jets. So 5+ team, Bummer Boy, New Jersey Devilsmen, and CM Punk. So Jack, your spell and win letter for 5+ teams in this Crown auction will be letter H. For New Jersey Devilsmen, Dwayne, the letter A. And for CM Punk, also a letter A. Alright, let's choose our VIP team of the break. You guys know how it works. If this team receives a hit, $12 bidding credit going to that owner. So VIP team of the break will be the Boston Bruins. And that's DJ Nell's mom. So Aaron, if we get a Bruins hit in this box of Crown, $12 bidding credit will go to you. So good luck. Alright, our box number as stated in the description, 939-39052. Alright, good luck everyone. Got our checklist. Got our packs. Box is empty. Alright, pack number 1. Got a Brad Richards base. Thomas Vokoun base. Got an All the King's Men Prime. Going to the Anaheim Ducks and New Jersey Devilsmen. You got the Stash, George Peros. And that card is numbered 20 out of 50. So congrats, Dwayne. Got a base of Brett Hall. And a base of Stastny. Pack number 2. Grabowski base. Santorelli base. We got an All the King's Men jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers. And Phyllis. Got a Danny Briere. And for the Winnipeg Jets and Alwyn 700, we got a red parallel base of Dustin Byfuglien. And Desharnais base. Got a Corey Perry base. Zach Parise base. Voice of the game. And this is Voice of the Calgary Flames, Peter Mayer. So Calgary, CM Punk. Spacer. Got a Lords of the NHL for the New Jersey Devils and DJ Null's mom of Zach Parise. And a Taylor Hall base. Last pack. Got a Grabner base. Bizonet base. And for the Ottawa Senators and Bummer Boy, you get a rookie auto of Eric Condra. Spacer. And a rookie for the Edmonton Oilers and Bummer Boy, Tiemo Hartkanainen. And we end with a Pecorine base. Decent box, not as good as our first one. But that's Crown. Crown's a really hit and miss product. So Boston did not receive a hit in the break. So unfortunately, no VIP bonus prize for Aaron this time around. So we'll move on to our bonuses. So we'll start with our no-hit bonus cards, going to one individual that did not receive a hit for that team in the break. So our 2 no-hit bonus cards for this break, we got a Fabrics of the Game from Certified of Yaroslav Halak. And joining the Halak will be an SB Notables of Jaromir Jagr. So no-hit bonus cards going to the owner of the Buffalo Sabres. And Buffalo did not receive a hit in the break, and Buffalo is owned by Felix Victoria. So congrats to Phyllis. No hit bonus cards coming your way. Alright, so we'll take 3 chips for bonus box break 19. Just a reminder, 18 is posted in the forum. Make sure to vote on the box. So first spot from this break for bonus box break 19 will be the Dallas Stars. That's New Jersey Devilsmen. Second spot from this break, the Boston Bruins. So DJ Null's mom. And third and final one. We'll go to the Carolina Hurricanes. And Al wins 700. So congrats to the three of you. So now we'll assign our 5 spell and win letters. And then we'll play Deal or No Deal. So let's choose our 5 letters to start off with. So we got an E, an S, a G, an O, and a D. Let's do 6 for you guys tonight. And a letter M. So we got E, S, G, O, D, and M. Alright, here we go. The E. To the Bruins. The S. Nashville. G. Washington. The O. St. Louis. The D. To the Minnesota Wild. And the M. To the LA Kings. So Boston E, Nashville S, Washington G, St. Louis with the O, Minnesota D, and the LA with gets the M. So I'm just going to mark those down, and then we'll play Deal or No Deal. Did you need one of them, Jack? All right. Alright, so playing Deal or No Deal as part of this Crown Thursday night auction will be the San Jose Sharks. San Jose, Joe's World 79. So you probably haven't seen this before, but we got 20 tins on my right here. So we got 20 tins. So you choose 3 numbers from 1 to 20. And then we'll open the first tin. You can either take the prize that's in that tin or pass and move on to tin number 2. So you gotta choose 3 numbers from 1 to 20. If you choose number 6, it doesn't have a number, but I've marked it with a marker now. So the choice is yours. Pick 3 tins, 1 to 20. 11, 4, and 19. Alright, just going to have to stand up to grab them. 11, 4, and number 19. Perfect. So playing Deal or No Deal is Joe's World. So first choice was number 11. So in tin number 11, got an Authentic Fabrics Auto, numbered 56 of 75 of Marty Turco. So you can take the Turco or pass and move on to tin number 4. And he passes.